Good morning, students. I am Jinsi, lecturer from Emmanuel Arasar College of Pharmacy. Today, we are discussing about the topic powders. Pharmaceutical powders are solid dosage forms of medicament in which one or more drugs are dispensed in finely divided state with or without excipients. They are available in crystalline or amorphous form. Advantages: it is used both internally and externally. It is more stable than liquid dosage form. It is convenient for the physician to prescribe a specific amount of powder. Onset of action is faster as compared to tablets, capsules because it is easily dissolved in by body fluids. Easy to carry, then easy to administration to the patient orally by dissolving in soluble liquids. Then disadvantages: drugs that have bitter taste, nausea, and unpleasant taste cannot be administered in powder form. Deliquescent and hygroscopic drugs cannot be dispensed in powder form. They are packed in double wrapping. Drugs which get affected by atmospheric condition are not suitable for dispense. Quantity less than 100 mg cannot be weighed conveniently. Divided powders. Method of preparation. First one, reduction of particle size. Reduction of particle size of all ingredients to the same range to prevent satisfaction. Next, second one, sieving. Third, weighing each ingredient. Fourth one, mixing. Fifth one, packaging. Next, during powdering, weighing and mixing, there is loss of powder which cannot be avoided. Therefore, while calculating the quantity of ingredients, calculate for one extra powder than required. First, size reduction is the process of reducing large solid units or substance into smaller unit mass, coarse particles or fine particles. It is also termed as comminution, grinding or pulverization. Smaller particle size and increased surface area leads to uniform distribution of the drug substance in a powder mixture or solid dosage form to ensure dose to dose content uniformity. Size reduction on large scale. Compression, positive pressure. Example, nut crusher, ball mill. Impact, material is stationary and hit by an object. Example, hammer mill. Next, shear, cutting force. Example, scissors, colloidal mill. Next, attraction, breaking the edges of the solid either by impact or particle collisions. For example, fluid energy mill and roller mill. Next, sieving, weighing each ingredient, mixing of powders. The powders may be mixed by any one of the following methods: spatulation, trituration, geometric dilution, sifting, and tumbling. Spatulation. In this method, the mixing of powders is done by the movement of a spatula through the powders on a sheet of paper or on a porcelain tile. This method is very useful in mixing small amount of powders, solid substances that liquefy or form eutectic mixtures when in close and prolonged contact with one another, since very little compression or compact results. This method is not suitable for large quantities of powders or for powders containing one or more potent substances because homogeneous blending may not occur. Next, trituration. It is used both to reduce particle size and mix powders. If particle size reduction is desired along with mixing of powders, a porcelain mortar with a rough inner surface is preferred to a glass mortar with a smooth working surface. A glass mortar may be preferred for chemicals that may strain a porcelain surface and for simple mixture of substances without special need for communication. A glass mortar cleans more readily after use. Next, geometric dilution. The method is used when potent substances are to mixed with a large amount of diluent. The potent drug is placed upon an approximately equal amount of the dilute in a mortar and the substances are slightly mixed by trituration. A second portion of a diluent equal in volume to the powder mixture in a mortar is added and trituration is repeated. The process is continued, adding diluent equal in volume to the mixture in a mortar at each step until all the diluent is incorporated. Next, sifting. The powders are mixed by passing through sifters. This process results in a light, fluffy product and generally not acceptable incorporation of potent drugs into a diluent base. Next, tumbling. It is the process of mixing powders in large container rotated by an electronic motor. These blenders are widely employed in industry as large volume powders mixers. Next, thank you.